In this page, we show you with an example. We want to find the happy drinkers. So from the relation likes, drinker, and beer, the sales table, bar, beer price, and the frequency table, the drinker and the bar, it denotes that the drinker goes to this bar very often. So please find the drinkers and the beers such that the drinker likes the beer, and the drinker frequents at least one bar that sells the beer. Before we show the answer, you can also write down the query by yourself on your paper, right? How can we find these kinds of happy drinkers based on the likes, sales, and the frequency these tables? I think we can do this query very easily, right? By joining these multiple tables together based on the knowledge we learned before. And besides this, can we do this query in a different way? We can use this union or this intersection operators to help us, right? So what are the happy drinkers? The happy drinkers should be the drinks who like the beers, and the drink frequency at least one bar that sells the beer. Here we have this and as this connection words between the two conditions, right? So therefore, the first condition is the drinker likes the beer. It can be found from the likes table, right? Because in the likes table we have drinker, beer. So we can find the drinker and the beer information with this select star from likes. It will return both drinker and beer, right? We use this one as a subquery. And we have another condition. The drinker frequents at least one bar that sells the beer. How can we find this drinker and beer information? We can use another subquery, right? We can do so by writing select drinker and beer from sales table and frequency table, where frequency.bar equal to sales.bar. So this subquery will return the drinker and beer information with the drinker frequency at least one bar that sells the beer. Between these two conditions, we have this and, right? Therefore, we can use this intersection or the intersect the operator to help us connecting these two subqueries. It will return the happy drinkers who both like the beer and also frequent at least one bar sells the beer. Remember, for this intersect, given these two subqueries, we may have some duplicated records, right? Data tuples. However, by using this intersect operator, we will eliminate these duplications automatically. In other words, for the return result, for the same data tuple, it can appear at most one time. We don't have any duplications in the return result for the complete query.